What's up all my fine girls? No Pimple is Whit here again with another video. So I am back with yet again another Bring It Back Thursday, and for today's video I'm going to be using the Beaute, their new Tropical Vibes palette. So before we get started, you know we already have to cue our theme song, so let's get to it. Alrighty, so you know we had to have our little breakdown dance. Okay, so Bring It Back Thursday is a series that I started here on my channel. If you are new, pretty much it's a way for us to be able to, you know, watch our spending, play with old palettes that, you know, we have, and, you know, just have some fun. So this is a Beauty Bay, their Ace Beaute. Sorry, did I say Beauty Bay, their Ace? Sorry, I just saw, I was looking at something on Instagram. It was something for Beauty Bay. It's on my mind. Anyways, this is the Ace Beaute, their Tropical Vibes palette. So this did come back. Y'all, I'm all over this. This did come out last November, and this is what the inside of the palette looks like. So I finally got my hands on this palette because I waited for it to, pretty much it's sold out. Let me prime my eyes while I'm talking. So pretty much I did not get this palette when it was available. It sold out and I had to wait literally months for it to come back in stock. And once it came back in stock, I was like, yep, you are mine and I am buying you right now. And so a lot of you guys have been asking me, since y'all saw that I posted on Instagram that I have it, to do like a video. Now I did do an Instagram Reels, like an IG Reels, but it seems that y'all still want another video. So here I am today, and we're gonna be doing another look using this palette. Anyway, so you guys know how I had said Beauty Bay's name instead, because y'all, I just went on their, well, somebody tagged me on their Instagram. Y'all, look at this, look at this. Oh my gosh. Yo, these eyeshadows, okay, for sure. I see two big palettes in there, and it looks like they have like two 9-pan palettes, and then they have like a 16-pan palette. For sure, I want the two big ones. I for sure want the two big ones. I want to see a clearer picture of all that they're offering. I'm definitely going to be buying those. Now, Beauty Bay has bigger palettes on their website, but I literally just don't even pay attention to those. Like, I don't care about them. I only care about their palettes that come in the 20-pan format, but this looks like it's right up my alley. And also, it looks like they have a lot of shades that they had in their Book of Magic palette, their Age of Opulence that they discontinued. So for the people who did not get their hands on those palettes that really wanted them, it looks like this is your chance to kind of get those same colors, get the Beauty Bay formula, which I love their formula. So I am excited to see the full release on that. Now I know this is a video about saving money, but listen, I still buy. I'm just gonna be on a, you know, moderate buying, you know, not trying to buy everything, but I'm definitely buying that. Okay, so eyes have been primed, and let's go ahead and take a look at this palette, okay? Because I feel like I kind of have a look in mind that I want to do. So this is the inside of the palette, and I kind of want to use this color, this color, this color, a little bit of this color, and like that color. Oh wait, no, maybe not that color, maybe like this color. I don't know, but we're first gonna start with this shade. I'm taking this Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going into that shade that, that shade that I just pointed at. Ooh, this is pretty. I love colors like this. I just like dark shades. Like, you know, like, it's just something about like a nice dark color palette, color story. I love it, love it, love it. And this color is beautiful. Okay, so now that I have that placed down, what I want to do is, where's the brush at? Where are thou at? Here we go. So I'm gonna take a smaller pencil brush, and I want to take the shade called Jungle, which is like this, I don't know, this like raunchy looking green. I don't even know, it's like a pukey green, is that what we call it? I don't know. But I want to take that, and I'm just going to first stamp this down here. So this palette definitely has a lot of like fallout. So let me tap off my brush because it's kind of like falling down that way. Okay, and then I'm going to take a clean blending brush to go ahead and just like start blending that out. I don't really feel like I'm seeing that shade. Are y'all seeing that color? Well, I guess kind of, sort of, when I'm looking at the viewfinder, and I need to change my battery. I should have did that before I started filming, but I just didn't feel like it. On the other hand, these shades blend really, really well. Like, that was effortless. Like, it was smooth. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the same brush, I'm gonna go into that Jungle shade, and just like blend it out this way as well too. Okay, so I think that's fine. I like that. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna cut my crease. Yes, I'm gonna cut my crease. Okay, so the crease has been cut. So now what I'm going to do next is I need a very, actually no, let's use this brush. All right, so I'm gonna take just a small pencil brush, and I wanna go into, I wanna go into that shade called Cave, which is like this dark color. I don't know if this is like I don't know what type of color this is, but it is dark. And I just wanna place this here. Take this brush right here. This is a MAC 217. And I'm gonna also go back into that dark shade, and at the same time, like I wanna pack this on, but like kind of like blend it out like that. And I like it because it has like the it's thin enough to like get in there. Okay, so like this, because I did put that green down, it's like patching up, like it's not sticking there. It's annoying me. Stick. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, since it's doing that, is I'm gonna take a little bit of my primer, and I'm just gonna place this down here, so that way it has something to stick to, since it wants to act funny. Perfect, perfecto. All right, so I'm gonna leave that for now. Probably gonna come back to it, but I'm gonna leave that for now. So for the lid, I'm torn, because I already played with this mango shade, which was like this really pretty yellow. I kinda wanna play with this one. What is it called? Chartreuse. Kind of want to use this one and then this shade. So let me start with this shade first. I'm going to take this pencil brush and I'm going to place this on the inner part of my eye, almost like a tear duct color. There's something really cute about like an inner corner color being like a matte shade. It looks so good. Okay, and then taking that really pretty like shimmer teal shade called Celeches. I don't even know if I said that right. But I'm going to go ahead and put this on my lid. This is such a beautiful color. Oh gosh, this is such a beautiful color. All right, and then I'm gonna take that brush that I used to put down that chartreuse shade and just kind of like blend this into this shimmer, because it just kind of looks a little like, you know, like harsh. And I don't want that. Yes, that looks nice. Okay. What brush is this? And I'm gonna just take a little bit more of that teal shade and just kind of like bring this a little bit over that darker shade, because I don't really want that dark shade to be too much on the lid. Okay, I think I am content with the way this looks. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll be back so you guys can see the look completed. So I'll be back shortly. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look, and I feel like this came out really cute. It's just a really pretty, you know, green eye, just super gorgeous. You know, there's not really much to say about this. I feel like this looks really, really nice. I do like this palette. I like the palette a lot, and I'm glad that I finally own it, okay? I like that it's primarily mattes with 3 pretty shimmers, and I feel like these are good shimmers that they have in here for sure. So yeah, I've played with this palette twice now, and on both times or both occasions, I had a really good time playing with the palette, blended out really well. The mattes are amazing, so definitely love this. It seems like a lot of you guys went ahead and picked this up during the restock as well, so hopefully you gathered some inspiration from this video. And also, I did post another look on my Instagram as well. If you want to see another look with this, I do have an IG tutorial over there, so you can definitely check that out if you want to. But yeah, comment down below any palettes that you want to see for a future Bring Her Back Thursday. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.